This video I'm going to do a new install of CrushFTP 11. I've already downloaded a copy of CrushFTP 11 zip file and I've extracted it. I'm going to launch CrushFTP 11. The first step is we need an admin user that we can use to log in with it. So I'm just going to use crush admin. Users created. Now we need to start the temporary service so that way we can log into it. Temporary service is up and running, so now let's go log in. We're logged in and we have a license code. So we're going to go enter our license code here under the About tab. Be sure to use the code and not the spelled out code when you're copying. License code applied. After the license code is applied, you can install the daemon service so that you no longer have to run the local GUI copy. I'm using the default memory configuration. For production servers, you want at least 2048 megabytes. I'm going to leave it running as local system. If you need to access special UNC paths on Windows, you might want to set the run as user. You can do that here or through the Windows Services control panel. Service is installed and running. Refresh the page. Log in again. And now we're running as a service. Everything is fully installed. That's it.